What is good, YouTube, and to my card world family? It is your guy once again, Udell 12, aka Bubba, and guys, I am back with another quick unboxing. And before we get started, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button for your boy, and also smash that notification bell for all upcoming vids. And as always, I like to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, because without him I am nothing, guys. So with that being said, we will dive into, we have a hanger pack of the Topps 2020 Baseball Series 1. Now, of course, at the time, we know that Series 2 is out right now with the Mike Trout. And if you hadn't seen that pack, I actually got one right by me, and there's your Series 2. So we'll do this in a later unboxing, but just want you guys to get a look of, take a look at the box if you hadn't seen them around, in your local stores. So, but before we get started, guys, and go into the unboxing, I just like to thank Mike from Card World once again. Mike was nice enough to donate this 2020 Series 1 hanger pack, hanger box for the channel. So if Mike is a great guy, he has his own card shop, memorabilia shop, Card World of Bryant. If you're ever in Arkansas or in the city of Little Rock, Bryant area, come out to Card World of Bryant. Great inventory, has great cards, guys. We're talking national treasures to, if you want regular hanger hobby packs, hanger packs, guys. I mean, he has it all. So I want to thank Mike again for donating this box here for the channel, and we got many more will come in the future. And guys, definitely hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because I got more stuff coming. So I just wanted to let Mike know again. Thanks again, Mike, for the donating the box. And I know you guys want to go get into it, so let's jump right into this. So we have a 2020 hanger box, or hanger pack, hanger box. And this has Pete Alonso on the front for the Mets. And these, I don't, the odds, I usually I'll show you guys the odds there, but from past unboxings and the other packs that I've done, excuse me, I've seen they're done pretty well with the series 1 is really well. They have really good stuff in the Series 1. So you got a lot of the top rookies, man. Let me get this out the camera, guys. I'm so sorry. I ripped this whole box up. But it's supposed to be very nice with the rookies in the Series 1. The Series 2, it's been hit or miss. Just the packs I've opened. But, some people, I'm sure, they've done well in them, depending on what you're getting. Hobby box, hobby pack, or etc., just depends. So I'm gonna set that stack right there, and we're gonna get into it. I can tell you guys right now, that's crazy, but that card that's a good card, the one that separate this pack. So let's jump right into it. You guys in the comments below, let me know what you think as far as how you guys have done with the series 1 baseball Topps 2020, and let me know. All right, let's get into this, guys. We're gonna go through this pretty quick and let you guys see there. And right off the, well, not right off the rip, but the second card. Now, I'm a big Atlanta Braves fan. Shout out to the Atlanta Braves. We got Ronald Acuna Jr. Definitely is a beast. Definitely looking for all Acuna cards. So I'm a big Atlanta Braves fan. So you right there. We're gonna go ahead and sleeve him up. We got the Ronald Acuna base card here. Very nice. We'll get him sleeved up. So I'm definitely, I'm a big Braves fan, so we like to Shout out these Braves. We got a nice squad this year too, by the way. Let's keep going. See what we can find there. There you go. Kushner, Jacob DeGrom. Let's see. A lot of these cards, man, they're gonna be twisty, turny. Trent Thornton. And it's interesting. We'll see who we pull as far as our rookies and see who we get out of here. I'm gonna make a rookie stack right here. So we have Munoz, rookie there. That's the apprentice. Let's see. Red Jr. here. Nice card. Rookie card here. I'm gonna go through them pretty quick. I'm not gonna, for the sake of time, we don't want the video too long, so we're gonna try to go through them pretty quick, guys. We got a whole nother little stack there. Let's see here. We got a Queen here, not numbered. Got a full hollow here, very nice. 1980s here, Robin Yount, the Brewers, pretty cool. A lot of the Hoskins cards are in these 2020 packs. Got a Shohei Ohtani. Nice, very good card. Not bad. It's the 35th anniversary cards here. It's a McKay rookie card. Not bad. We got a Biggio, Toronto, DeGrom. There's an Archer from Pittsburgh. Nice. These are the turkey red cards, you call them. And that's the other card. Once I separated it, here it was a, this would be an Albert Pujols. It's a nice little stack right there. All right, so we go to the next stack here. Let's keep rolling on here. Got an Austin Riley right there. Shout out to the Braves. My dog is down there licking his paws. Chris, stop. I apologize, guys. So we'll keep going here. It's my English Bulldog, man. That dude is really stubborn, so I apologize for him, guys. All right, I'm gonna keep rolling. Got a Hunter Renfroe. There's a Chapman. Jacob John. Turner. Cease. Another rookie card there. Aaron Nola. Steven Strasburg. This card there. Set them to the side. So some of these packs, I mean, it's hit or miss with some of these guys. Like some of the packs are really, really good. I mean, I've seen some that are a ton of the good rookies in them. But it just depends, you know. Rookie there. And we're coming up on the end here. There's another rookie. And we got a rookie at the end. And that should do it right there. So we did pull. We didn't get we got a Acuna base, which is very nice. Got a Ohtani out of the turkey red cards here. I'm assuming those are turkey red. I think that's what they call these. But you get these are, you got the Grom Biggio, Pujols, and Archer. Not bad. Probably the best, one of the best ones out this pack. It's my boy, Ronald Acuna Jr. So, all right, guys. That's going to do it for the box break of the 2020 Series 1 baseball. Guys, definitely hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments below how you guys did on your unboxings or any of your pulls you have in the 2020 baseball Series 1. But we're going to sign out right here, guys. This has been Udell 12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files Lego.